Shout out to Marvin Henderson. How he said, let's get ready to what? Rumble! You picked out one by yourself. Go ahead, get out one by yourself. Ooh, got dirty hands. Look at her. Look at her with the nails on.
Hey, how y'all doing? Dexterdoitall.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just like...
Hey you. You gonna crank up today? Morning. How y'all doing? Dexterdoitall. And I'm hitting the highway today, truck life today. So I gotta go from Parkville, Arkansas up to Center, Texas. I think that's the route I'm gonna go today. So I already checked over the hub board, checked the tires, and crunk it up, let it air up. Now I just gotta put the thing in motion now. The air brake fill up a little bit. I always gotta put my trailer brake in early because sometimes I don't want to air up like it's supposed to. Well, air up, but you know how sometimes you don't want to just let go. So I checked all that out. So they put this thing in motion. Then I always gotta wait on slow poke all the time. Every time you look around, I gotta wait on slow poke. So I'm gonna get turned around here. This wife of mine, boy, she know when it come down to grain, it's a racing thing. You gotta get there. You try to get there fast in a hurry. She just take her pulling time like it just ain't. Look at her. She just do crazy stuff. Look, wanna ride, but then take her time though. Come on now, you know what time it is. What you smiling for? Look at that. You can eat that later. Huh? Got some chicken and hot sauce and some bread. You ready to go now?
I've been ready to go.
No, you ain't. You been in the house the whole hour.
I know I was waiting on you to say, come on.
What? The truck running up outside. I mean, it's time to go. You know it's a racing thing, and I gotta hurry up and get to where I gotta go. You know grain ain't... No. Huh. Eat the food before I eat it.
Hold on.
Look at that. You still wasting time. Alright, you know what?
Give it to me.
Play with you. Alright, made it down here to Portland, Arkansas. So I ain't gonna go to Parkdale today. We go to Portland and go to Arcadia to checking over everything, and then I realized I got an air leak on my brake tank. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a piggyback, put it on there, replace it real quick, and then just that'll be tomorrow thing. The seat was just enough air out of there. I can tell the difference on my air gauge. So I just kicked all the tires, made sure they were good. I just do that like sometimes I do that for a normal stop anyway, just checking. And got this wind up and just wait on him to load me now. After that, then go to Arcadia, then set it down and give me a piggyback and replace that. Well, he made it to me. So I guess I'll get 2 of them and then haul tail to Arcadia for the day. So that's how they got the bag down there. I'm gonna bring it up here, dump it on them. He came over here so many times, he made a run over there. Gotta lean it. Gotta tip. Got that top hold in and lift it over. You guys, so finally got loaded. Let's go. What you doing? You sleep? Yeah, sleep. You been sleep all day. Sleeping rabbit. Ooh, we see Phyllis. God, though. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, you guys. Finally made it over here to Arcadia, and guess what happened here? One truck. My first time ever. Well, 2 in all, but 1 truck though on the side. When I pulled in I said, man, it'll be a good day today. I don't know where everybody at, but I'm here. So I ain't gotta spend the night tonight. Cause when you come to Arcadia, it get hectic. Look at that. Oh, he bagging up now. Oh man, it's gonna, boy, I'm gonna move up. Then I'm gonna be the next truck after that, and then I'm gone. I'll be hitting the interstate going back east. Back east. I'll be going back that way. Woo! Money made. Money gonna be made today. That's what I'm talking about. So when I get back home today, even though I am done with the truck today, I still need to work tomorrow anyway, but I gotta go run some water first. I gotta run water first. Put that planter back together. I took all the planter hoppers off. I took the seed got a hiccup, whatever it was coming. But I took the seed plates out, put the corn plates in because I had beans in there. So take them out, put the corn plates in, and after that, put it back together. Now, I got an air leak somewhere along my line somewhere. I'll be losing air pressure going down through the field. It take a while for it to leak out, so I gotta find an air leak. And it was something else out there. Like I said, run the water first, do the planter, and whatever else come up. So y'all just stay tuned for that too, because as soon as I get done here, I'm going to the field. So let's do it all. Work doesn't stop. All right, finally getting dumped. Little dusty. Got a couple trucks to pull in behind me. We getting the job done. That's money in the bank. Every time we go down 30%, 40%, 50%. There'll be a bunch of booster rats around here though. eat that stuff and eat that stuff, eat everything around. Now we're at Kenworth. Had to leave the truck on the side of the road just to walk to Kenworth, go get some tires right there, and put them in the back of the truck in the sleeper, because instead of me coming way back over here to pick up, I might well do it now since I couldn't find nobody with no truck in the area. So you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. Come on, let's go. Slowpoke, boy, she just, man, if you ever get your Aquarius, the one I got right here, the August one, the end of August one, she's slow. I'm talking about. Oh, January, my bad. I said August. She said August. August. But yeah, over here at Kenworth, we're gonna grab these tires real quick. But we got they're around the corner back there, so I hope they might put in their truck, help me take it to my truck. I guess I don't know. We'll find out. I got help today, y'all. I finally got some help. So what we gotta do, we gotta take them to the truck right there. We're gonna load them up in the inside. Look at her. Everybody, she knows what she doing. So I got 3 of them. 2 steer tires, 1 trailer tire. I should have bought 2 trailer tires, 2 steer tires. What I'll do when I get back. You got a cup in there? Pick the water up. Had some brand new meat on there, on the front tire right here. I see a chunk came out of there right there. I don't like this. I see one there. What kind of, look like it kind of tearing off, but it got some good tread right here. But then it's tearing up on the side. There was some on the back side so there too. Got some. All of us.
You left your light on keeping you.
I know. Get all of it out, get enough out. You just crawl in the back there and I'm put it right there and you crawl over there.
I'm turning this off.
Yep. Put the bed the sheet off the bed and the cover off the roof. Nah, take it out. It moves to the side. So it won't get dirty. This gonna take a while. You picked out one by yourself. Go ahead, get out one by yourself. Alright, jump.
You ain't gonna roll it on me.
Go ahead.
No, I'm not. It was only there.
I got that one.
You gotta sit down and pull it. I'm a big dog. See, you don't even know how to do it.
It's how bigger than that.
Hold on, look, you gotta be careful. You're gonna leave that when you stand on the floor. You should let me got some back here. I hope this not a ticket you needed.
What's it?
This. Look how you breathing.
I know you ain't. You let the tire roll on top of you.
No, I didn't.
You did.
It did not go on top of me. It was on the side of me. It was on the side.
Ooh, got dirty hands. Look at her. Look at her with the nails on. Boy. Say it with me. Country living. Say it with me. Country living. Boy, that's hard work right there, boy. Picking up them tires then, look. I still got stitches in my fingers. So they still hurt too. So I had a little help. So I hit it, I banged it up like 2 or 3 times just then. So we got tires in the back that we gotta go put on now. So just hold on. What's happening? I got camera on you too. What you got the tickets in the what is going on here? What is this? What up?
Pull it, D. Pull it. Why D pull it? They're going for a ride in the new wagon.
Look at things out there. What's going on? How y'all doing? Dexterdoitall. Like I said, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And I want to give a shout out to Marvin Henderson. How he said, let's get ready to what? Rumble!
Where we at? Country living.
Country living.
Say country living. Country living. It's too tight. Which one?
Huh?
Eat. Hello everybody, I just came on here to tell you all we have 3 channels. We got a farm channel, which would be Dexter Do It All. You got that one? The second one will be Small Dreams, that would be the tiny home. That's the second one. Okay? Second one, Small Dreams. Come over there, subscribe, like, it's a new channel. And I can let you know how I'm coming with the tiny home. Okay? The third channel is Put Your Mind to It. That's where I blog. That's where I started from. So you guys come along and go to Dexter Do It All. He's 35 years old and he do farming. So you guys come on over.